this is DigiDrone More, where you can earn money daily by performing simple tasks. In this platform, you can withdraw up to $500 in 1 week by doing simple tasks in this platform, and this is huge. This is awesome. These are different people who are already withdrawing from this platform. This person, you see, this person withdraw $116,000. This is $580. This is $57,600. So if you want to register in this platform, just go to the link in the comment section or in the description of this video. Click on my referral link to register so as you earn promo. So there are different ways you can earn money in this platform, right? One of the ways you can earn money in this platform is by coming to VIP here, becoming a VIP. So in this place now, there are different levels of earnings in this platform. You can choose any of the levels you want and unlock any of the levels. You earn higher in higher levels, right? So you see in Digi1, you'll be earning 430 USDT, and you need only 10 USDT to unlock Digi1. So you'll be withdrawing $2.4 every day in level 1, and you withdraw it for complete 180 days, right? So if you multiply 2.4 USDT by 180 days, you see you'll be making a whopping 432 USDT with just your 2 USDT, right? So you see in Digi2, you need 100 USDT to unlock Digi2, and you'll be withdrawing 25 USDT in Digi2 for complete 180 days. And if you multiply 25 USDT by 180 days, you see you'll be making a whopping 4,500 USDT with just your 100 USDT. Guys, this is awesome. If you come to Digitere, you see you'll be earning $64 every day. You'll be withdrawing $64 every day in Digitere, and you only need 250 USDT to unlock Digitere. Same thing happens to Digi10. You see, in Digi10 is very massive. Digi10, you need only 27,950 USDT to unlock Digi10, and you'll be earning 11,600 USDT in Digi10 for complete 180 days, and you should be making a whooping 2,088,000 USDT in Digi10. This is awesome. This is massive. So you can unlock any of the levels which you can. So if you want to unlock any of the levels now, what you need to do is to first of all create your account by clicking on the link in the description of this video or in the comment section to create an account. So after creating your account, come to home. So you see recharge. So you are going to deposit your wallet first. You can then use the money, any of the levels you want to unlock, deposit that amount in your wallet in this platform. Then you can then use it and click and unlock any of the levels. So if you want to recharge or deposit your account now, what you need to do is to come to our recharge with home, then copy this wallet address, right? Copy this wallet address and go to any exchange like KuCoin, Coinbase, Binance, any of the exchange, and transfer any amount you want to use and unlock any of the levels to this wallet address. But remember, do not recharge other non-TRC20 USDT assets. The fund will arrive in your account in about 1 to 3 minutes after recharging. So all you'll be depositing is just USDT TRC20, right? This is USDT TRC20 wallet address. So the network you're going to use is TRC20 network, right? So do not deposit anything. So once you deposit, come back here and click on recharge complete, and the money will be credited in your wallet. And then you just come straight to this place and click on the VIP. If you deposited 100 USDT, what you need is just to click on unlock. So you have unlocked it and come back to tax, right? When you come to tax, you perform a tax. So you see perform a tax here. So I'm already performing a tax for today and it's still ongoing, right? You'll be able to perform tax every 24 hours. I'm already performing a tax in this place. You see tax in progress. So you can click on perform tax and you can withdraw immediately performing tax. So if you want to withdraw, just come straight to home. Come straight to home, then click on withdraw, right? I'm going to withdraw now. So click on withdraw. So this is the total amount I have in my wallet. This is 12.5 USDT. So I'm going to withdraw 2.4 USDT now to my wallet address. So I'll go to my Gate.io wallet and copy my USDT wallet address, right? So this is my Gate.io now. I'll click on deposit, on chain deposits. I will select USDT because what I want to deposit is USDT. So once I select USDT, I will look for USDT TRC20 wallet address. Remember, TRC20 Tron TRC20 wallet address. So you see it, I will select it, then copy my address. Copy it, right? So I will come back here and paste the address which I have copied here. So when I paste the address, I'm going to put the amount which I want to withdraw, which is 2.4 USDT. Then I'll come down and put my password. So once I put my password now, I'll go ahead and click on confirm. So once I click on confirm, I will allow it to load. So once it's done now, it will be credited. So you see withdrawal successful. So I will now go to my wallet and check if I have been credited, right? So this is my wallet. I have 19.75 before. I have not been credited, so I'm going to refresh. So you see deposit arrive at 2.4 USDT, which means I've been credited. I'll now go back and check if it has arrived. You see 22.17, that means I've been credited. So when you click on withdraw now, what you need to do is go and copy your USDT wallet address in any exchange, paste it here. So when you paste it here, your USDT TR20 wallet address, and paste it here. So after, remember, it's after performing your tax, then the money will be credited. That balance will be the balance you can withdraw will be credited here. Then you paste your wallet address here, put the amount you want to withdraw here, and then put your password. The password you create when creating your account. Then click on confirm, and the money will be credited to your wallet, just like my own. As I withdraw and the money was credited to my account immediately, right? So if you want to see the total money in your account, just come to me. This is me here. Come to me here. Then you see the remaining balance in my account now is 10 USDT. I'm in level 1, so this is 10 USDT. After performing tax for today, tomorrow I'm going to withdraw that money in this place. So I'm in level 1. This is the money I have in my account. So this is recharge, this is withdraw, and account on financial record. So this is very simple and very easy. And this money I can withdraw it, I can transfer it to my wallet anytime I wish. I'll just put my password, put this amount money here, and transfer it back to my wallet if I want, if I wish, right? If I wish, I can transfer it back to my wallet. So this is very simple. Anytime you feel like you don't want to do again, you can withdraw your capital. That is it. So you can also earn from referring your friends. In this platform, you can earn from referring your friends. So if you want to refer your friend, just come to Team, copy your referral link, share a referral link. Once you refer one person, you'll be earning 10% from every person you refer to this platform. And if the person you refer another person, will be earning 2% from that person's loan. And the third person, if you refer another person, you'll be earning 1% of that person's earnings. So this is awesome. This is massive. So, and you have seen my own withdrawal proof now. I was credited immediately. So, and you know, everything making money online is always key. You need to do your own research before investing in anything make money online. We that make money online, we do our research, and if there's anything that we feel like, yeah, we can make money from this platform, then go ahead and invest our money. So for you now that is coming into make money online, do your own research. Deal with your money whatever you wish. I'm not a financial advisor, so do your own research. Thanks guys for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel, turn on the notification button so as each time I bring awesome update for you like this, you will always be notified. See you in the next video.